Here we go now. Oh, here we go now. Yeah. I'm on a mission. Are you seeing the vision? The bigger, the better, the better, the bigger. I'm one in a million. I'm coming alive now. I can't be denied now. I fight till I win it. I made the decision. I'm never going back down. Welcome to my house. Here we go all out. It's about to get loud. Yeah. Step into my house. We going all out. It's time to get loud. Here we go now. Come and get it, yeah, we push it to the limit. Come and get it, yeah, here we go now. Come and get it, yeah, we push it to the limit. Come and get it, yeah, here we go now. Woo! Hey, yeah. Here we go now. Yeah, here we go now. Here we go now.
Pre, salamat sa mga paluto ng mga pagkain, sa magandang samahan, di ba? Ganun din sa mga pag-alagala natin. Ayos na ba yun?
Hindi ako sanay yun.
Congratulations on your 25th anniversary.
Wow. Thank you.
It's a long time.
Kampay! Kampay! Cheers! Cheers!
Gotta start on the bright side. Caught a glimpse of the first light. Oh, felt the air under.
Congratulations and best wishes. I'm so happy. Ito yung pinaka-wish mo. And, congratulations.
At hindi ninyo bibitawan ng isa't isa because you love the person given to you by God. Iyon ang tunay na pagtatalaga ng sarili. Iyon ang tunay na commitment. Iyon ang tunay na pag-ibig. Yung alam mong gusto mo nang bumitaw, pero hindi ka bibitaw dahil mahal mo yung taong ibinigay sa iyo ng Panginoong Diyos. That's what commitment is all about. Dennis and Lilibet. Dennis, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Lilibet na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
And it changes everything.
Lilibet, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Dennis na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
to remind each of you, for you to have a lasting, happy, and successful marriage, commitment, communication, and communion. And once again, as I have said, Dennis and Lilibet, you did not choose to love. God, who is love, chooses you. Lahat ng nangyari sa inyo, kung babalikan ninyo, are these things all coincidence? No. That's part of God's greatest plan for both of you and your family.
Changes everything. It changes